Tube worms can grow taller than a human in complete darkness. In the black depths near hydrothermal vents, forests of white and red shapes rise from the seafloor. These are giant tube worms, some of them taller than a person. Unlike most animals, they have no mouth and no stomach. Instead, their bodies house special bacteria that feed them by turning the hot, mineral-rich vent water into food. The worms live in protective white tubes with bright crimson plumes at their tips that wave gently in the current. To us, they seem impossibly alien, creatures that thrive without sunlight, rooted in boiling, toxic water. And yet they flourish, growing more than 6 feet long. The existence of these worms stunned scientists when they were first discovered, because it proved that life could thrive in places once thought uninhabitable. In the silence of the deep, they stand like gardens of firelit flowers, nourished by the earth itself. Some creatures thrive in temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Near the vents of the deep ocean, water can reach temperatures of more than 700 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than molten lead would be on the surface. You might think nothing could live in such extremes, but life has a way of surprising us. Certain bacteria, known as extremophiles, thrive in this scalding water, using chemical reactions to survive where everything else would burn away. Some even form the base of entire food webs, supporting larger creatures that cluster around the vents. These organisms challenge our very definition of what life can endure. If life can exist in boiling, pressurized darkness on Earth, then perhaps it could also exist in the hidden oceans beneath the icy crusts of moons like Europa or Enceladus. The deep sea doesn't just teach us about our own planet, it expands our imagination for life everywhere. Others live in water cold enough to freeze skin instantly. At the other extreme, some ocean creatures live in water so cold it hovers just above freezing. In the deep Antarctic seas, fish swim through icy darkness where the temperature never rises above the freezing point of fresh water. To survive, many produce natural antifreeze proteins in their blood, preventing ice crystals from forming inside their bodies. These adaptations allow them to live in conditions that would kill most other animals in moments. The water is so cold it could freeze human skin on contact, yet life continues in delicate, beautiful forms. Pale fish with transparent bodies, slow-moving starfish, and even entire communities beneath the frozen surface. The deep ocean reminds us that what feels impossible to us is ordinary to other creatures. To them, this frigid darkness is not a prison, but home, a place where life has carved out its own quiet niche.